Jai Srimannarayana, 7th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarva Bhutani Kaunteya Prakrutim Yanti Mamikam Kalpakshaye Punastani Kalpadau Visrujamyaham. Om. This entire material manifestations comes out of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and at the end of the cycle goes back into Sri Krishna Paramatma's nature. In this huge process, we are so blessed to get this human body. That is why keep appreciating this human body opportunity and keep making the best use of this opportunity to end this cycle of birth and death. Surrender to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I understand that this entire material manifestations comes out of you and goes back into you. In this process, I am so blessed to get this human body opportunity. O Krishna, I shall keep making the best use of it, and I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 83rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Nanda and other Gopalas, they all burnt out Putana's dead body. While doing that, there comes so many divine fragrances. Putana, while drinking all the small baby's blood, she tried with Sri Krishna also with the same desire. But Jighamsayapi haraye stanam datvapa sadgatim, because Krishna Paramatma is Sakshat Supreme Devadeva, and to such Devadeva Putana gave her milk. That is why she attained supreme state. Who is Sri Krishna? Padbhyam bhakta hridistabhyam vandyabhyam lokavanditaihi. Krishna Paramatma is Sakshat Purushottama, who always stays, resides, enjoys in the hearts of devotees, and who is always been praised by Sakshat Brahma, Rudra and all other devatas. Such Paramatma Sri Krishna Bhagavan, he hugged Putana's body, he drank Putana's milk. That is why Putana attained supreme state. In that case, Harinkani channulu kudipedi tarunulun prapinchu padamu talapagan vasame. Hari araginchutakun palu kurisina dhenuvulu mukti konalancherinchun. In that case, when Paramatma is born to someone and she gives milk to Paramatma, can we even imagine that what kind of greatest benefits that woman will be attaining, what kind of supreme state that woman will be attaining, because she gave birth to Paramatma, she gave milk to Paramatma. Not only about humans, even such cows with so much of affection, they give milk to Paramatma. Because of that, those cows will be enjoying in the borders of Sakshat Paramapadam. There is no doubt in that. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra giving his teachings. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 7th sloka. Sarvabhutani kaunteya prakrutim yanti mamikam kalpakshaye punastani kalpadau visrujamyaham. Sarvabhutani kaunteya prakrutim yanti mamikam kalpakshaye punastani kalpadau visrujamyaham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.